Hold it right there, a little to the left. Clear on this side, send it down.
What is the projected energy output on the secondary array?
It fluctuates based on atmospheric density, but the stabilization protocols should compensate.
Take a look at the readout on the primary strut.
I see it. Logging the data now, we are clear to move to the next section.
What is the projected energy output on the secondary array?
It fluctuates based on atmospheric density, but the stabilization protocols should compensate.
Module secured. Finalizing connection.
Running diagnostics. Checksum complete. All systems nominal.
Calibration complete. All parameters nominal.
Excellent work. Let's prep for the power-up sequence.
Tighten that bolt securely. It's secured. All clear up top.
Tower approaching vertical. All systems green.
Confirmed. Locking sequence initiated.
Project Arbiter is fully deployed. They are accelerating. Are we tracking the inbound group?
Acquisition successful on simulated bogies.
Wiring harness looks good, no chafing? Confirmed. Check the joint rotation. System check complete on Unit 7. All parameters nominal. Copy that. Moving to calibration.
Bring it back 5 more feet, then hold.
Solid copy. 5 feet.
At first light, the convoy departs the central depot, beginning the long transit to the forward operating base.
Steady now, keep it centered. Watch the hydraulics pressure. We are clear for the final push.
Hydraulics stabilizing. Dish unfolding now.
Clear on the ropes. Tower is steady.
Activation confirmed. We are online. Sierra 2, we have multiple bogeys, bearing 090.
Copy that. Engaging countermeasures.
Approaching, sir. 4 contacts, high speed.
Battle stations, request launch authorization immediately.
The frequency is stabilizing now.
Good, torque is set on this one. Let's check the diagnostics before we seal it.
Sector Gamma reports unidentified contact. All patrols be advised. Maintain heightened alert status.
We have stabilization, confirming the calibration sequence is complete.
Confirmed. The array is fully operational.
Confirmed contact, bearing 090. Intercept sequence initiated. Copy that. Analyzing trajectory now. Stand by for updated coordinates. Across the digitized battlefield, the synchronized array provides an unbroken shield against any approaching threat.